Yeah, some more Pam's product. They do everything, man. I think they do like clothes pegs and shit. See the puha's gone like limp and soggy. That's the way you want it. Not the way you want it, but the way I want it. It's just some of there. Not the whole lot though. Oh, fuck how many it is. Yeah, that'll do. The cat loses something up there, don't ya? Num Nums is coming, eh? Num Num. Num Num, they go nice. Good number. Fucking cat stands right between my mouth and the bowl of food I'm eating. It doesn't want any, it just wants you to throw some on the ground so you can't have it. You put it on the ground, it'll turn his fucking nose up to it. Yeah. Like that. That's a piece of fucking hamburger patty, and they go, I don't want to eat that. Oh, fucking hell. You can hear Pearl Harbor calling. It's going to come on, mate. On this. Oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. Oh, I can feel it. It's poking its nose out. Fuck ass. I'll turn that down here. Down to about. Ouch. Down to about 2.